morning guys, and welcome to Florida day 8. Today we are heading off to Blizzard Beach and then Hollywood Studios. So I took my eye makeup off. Oh, I don't like being on camera with my eye makeup off, I don't know why. And I've also coated my hair in conditioner because last time I went to Typhoon Lagoon it went like chewing gum because my hair's like platinum blonde, and we're heading straight to Hollywood Studios, so I don't have time to get back and put a hair mask on and everything like that. So I've coated my hair in conditioner. People are gonna look at me weird. So yeah, we're going to Blizzard Beach and then we're going to Hollywood Studios because we've got some fast passes and we want to watch the Star Wars Galactic firework show thingy that they've got going on. So let's go. Bye. It's so weird because it's red hot, but there's like snow things everywhere, so it feels really, really strange to walk around. That's so scary. I actually came off the ground. I'm so gushy, that was scarier than I thought it was gonna be. Beautiful briny sea. Bobbing along.
Bobbing along.
The size of these donuts. Yummy. We're gonna go to the lazy river and see what rides there is. There it is.
Hey guys, I'm giving her a 2. When she looks back at this video, she's gonna be so happy she got this too.
Yay! Thank you. We got chicken strips, pepperoni flatbread and a cheeseburger, and Matthew got that. We're sharing all this. It's a little bit too much now that I think about it. Oopsie, we wanted to try a bit of everything though. I don't know if we're going to eat it all. Look what we got, the first one of this holiday. A Mickey sandwich. Oh, no, it's crispy Mickey. Oh, that's weird. Let's open them. Hey, Mickey. Dinner was super nice. I'm so full now. We ate a little bit too much there. So we're gonna go on the lazy river to let the food calm down from our stomach. I found one. Mine. It looks so funny on this angle. So cute. A young Moana. Oh, and they've got Blizzard Beach pins too. Look at these. My goodness, what is that, Dean? How cool is that? Oh my god, that's adorable. Check out how cool this artwork is. Oh, they're just Lee prints, but they're so pretty. And then there's this one. And then a Maleficent, that is so cool. I love that. Jasmine. I love that Alice one, how cool is that? Wow, that's pretty epic. Oh look, you can get mini prints of it too. I might actually get one of these, $4.99. Oh, there's even a Haunted Mansion one. So I found the Tower of Terror pins. Can you see them? And it spins. They're quite cute, and then there's these ones. Oh, look how cute this mini is. Oh, there's more over here, so there's these little pendant type ones. Whoa! Super cool. And then there's this one here. So cute. And this one, which is like a key. I might have to get this one actually, because this one's my favourite. And this is a pin too. How cool is this pin? It's got the Disney castle on the outside, and then when you open it, Walt Disney, and it says it's kind of fun to do the impossible. Walt Disney. I might have to get this pin. This is my favourite pin I've seen so far. The Disney parks look so much cooler at the night time.
Yeah.
Look how cool they look. I love it.
Not a place on a map, but a state of mind that exists wherever people dream and wonder and imagine. I dream. From time to time, people ask me, which is the favorite of all the pictures that we've made? Well, it's the one that you're going to see right now.
Projection show of all the Disney movies and stuff all merged into one. There was no fireworks or anything, but it was really, really cool. And now we're 5 minutes till Star Wars, and I see it. And I'm very blue. I'm blue.
1977, a triumphant year in screen history. On May 25th, at the world-famous Chinese Theater in Hollywood, California, Star Wars premiered. 40 years later, Star Wars has reached every corner of the world. It's true. All of it.
Kenobi, you're my only hope.
love it. Class. Thumbs up. In his little Star Wars shirt. I love the ending where it was like a blue lightsaber. I wasn't expecting that, and then like a light in the sky. It was so good. I was going to end the vlog there, but we spontaneously decided to go to Magic Kingdom because it's open till midnight. So we're heading over to Magic Kingdom. Even though I'm knackered, we've done a lot today, but we're hoping to hop on some rides. I want to go on Pirates of the Caribbean again. Matthew wants to go back on Space Mountain, and I also want to go on Splash Mountain too. Okay guys, so that is actually it for today. We have had enough. It is midnight and we have bled this day dry. We've done so much stuff. I'm really sweaty, hot and sticky because it's a very humid night, but we've had such a good night. We managed to ride on Big Thunder Mountain, Pirates of the Caribbean, the railroad again, the mine train. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm now currently walking down Main Street. It looks so pretty, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.